I hate reading. I feel so straight right now. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, did you guys feel that? It's a lot of putting the screws in the hole, which is very my language. Pure excitement. Yeah, pound it. Yeah, you like it tight? Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, shit. Boss over here. Yes. Wow. I'm turning into a butchie. Butchie kind teens. Yansang. Oh. Faka. Pop it this side. Put it in. How about you? Don't be shy. Go inside. Oh my god, that took forever for this to be secured on here. Okay, next step. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Oh. Yes. It's true. Oh yeah. I thought I messed up. Like, how am I supposed to open this cubby? It comes with a cubby thingy. So I was like, oh, hello, just go like this. Ash. Oh, you fucker. Okay, let's see if I'm smart. Oh, yeah. Are you kidding me? Did I just do this by myself? I'm totally straight today. Can you move? I'd like to thank all the little people that had to step on to get here. So you can adjust the diagonal stance, adjust the height over here. You have a placement for random things right here. You have a cubby right here. You have another cubby right here for the bags. Then you can 360 spin and then lock her. That's what I love about this. Lacom. Oh my gosh. If you want the link to this product, message me right now. Thanks for watching.